Hello luxurious ladies, it's me Lulu back with an unboxing video. I have not just one but two beautiful items from Louis Vuitton to unbox with you today. I'm so excited to share it with you. Now this first small item that I'm going to open, it's actually an item that I have a couple of. This is what's called the Victorine wallet, and it's a very compact wallet. As you can see, it comes in a little tiny box. But let's go ahead and open this one up. You can see we have the Louis Vuitton sticker. Perfect. Now this wallet comes in a few different material options. I opted for the monogram canvas because I don't have this one yet. I have the damier azur and the damier ebene to match two of my other bags, but this will be my first monogram canvas Victorine. So I'm actually a little bit surprised by this one because it has a gold button. And I was expecting that it would have a pink button because the interior is the pink ballerine, which I just love. That looks so pretty. I have my initials monogrammed, which is just beautiful. It's in gold. It took a couple extra days to get, but it was quite quick. So the Victorine wallet comes with 6 card slots. You have 3 in the middle and 3 on the side. You also have pockets, so you can fit things in here as well. There's 1 on each side, so you have 2 pockets. And then what I love is that this actually opens all the way up so you can fit your bills across without folding them, which I just like that. And then on the side here, you have a pocket that unzips. It's just a small pocket, but this has been perfect for me, and I put my lip gloss, a little tiny lip gloss, and a little tiny perfume in there, and that just works great to hold those items for me. You can zip them up and button it up and fit it all in my little Victorine. So I'm just so excited to have that in the monogram canvas to match some of my other bags. Now this wallet is 4.7 inches long by 3.7 inches tall, and it's 0.6 inches wide. So that's without it being stuffed. And you can choose what color you want your interior to be. Now I opted for the pink ballerine, but you can choose, there's a red interior, and then there's also the brown interior, or cognac. Now this wallet also comes available not just in the monogram canvas, but you can dress this wallet up. It comes in epi leather and also in the damier ebene and azur. So you can choose. All right, now we're moving on. I do love this wallet. I love her a lot. Let's put her back into the box until I can get ready to switch into her. And we are gonna move on to this bigger item. I'm so excited to open this one up. Now, let me tell you a little bit about this one. This is actually it's now called the Poche Toilette, but this used to be called the Toiletry 26. Let's open this one up. Now, the Toiletry 26 I've always wanted, and right now it's available really in 3 different styles. You can get all black, you can get all monogram canvas. The entire bag is monogram, and the inside is hot pink, red, or light pink. That is what is called the trio pouch. It comes in a pack of 3, and it retails for $1,520. Now, I didn't want the pink interior, and I didn't want the monogram sides. I wanted the vachetta-leather sides. So I opted for what's called the Poche Toilette NM, and this one has the vachetta-leather trim on the sides. Have you guys seen that? Smells so good. I love, not everybody is a fan of vachetta leather. I love vachetta leather. I think it matches the insides of my Louis Vuittons. I just love the way that vachetta leather looks. And so I always opt for vachetta. I don't mind the patina. I don't mind the honey. I don't mind needing to apple guard it and keep it rainproof. I don't mind needing to do those things. Baby it, I will do that. I like vachetta leather. So this is also 1 piece of canvas, and it wraps around. So you'll see that it's right side up on this side, and upside down on the back side. Now the Poche Toilette is available now in this monogram canvas with the vachetta leather trim. You can purchase this online on the Louis Vuitton website right now, and this one currently retails for $1,050. Now there are some other options. There is an option that has black trim instead of the vachetta, and the difference is that the interior on this one is canvas inside. You can wipe it clean. The interior of the black bag is black and it has card slots, so it really is more like a handbag. But again, I really love vachetta leather and I wanted to go with the vachetta leather trim for that reason.